In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point your domain to Hostinger. This process is crucial for those who want their domain to connect directly and efficiently to their Hostinger hosting account. By following along, you'll ensure that your website seamlessly goes live without a hitch. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's log into your domain registrar account. This is where you purchased your domain, a popular choice being GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other registrar you might have chosen. Locate the account login page on their website, enter your credentials, and access your account. Once inside, navigate towards your list of domains. This is where you'll see all the domains you've registered. Choose the domain you want to point to Hostinger. Now, you'll look for an option that mentions DNS Settings or DNS Management. This section is important because it'll allow you to edit how your domain handles requests and where it sends them. Next, you should find an area labeled DNS or Nameservers. This is the core part of redirecting your domain to Hostinger. You're going to replace the current Nameservers with Hostinger's Nameservers. Hostinger provides these Nameservers when you set up hosting with them. You'll need to enter these new servers into your registrar's DNS or Nameservers section. Typically, you'll be entering at least 2, but sometimes up to 4 nameservers, such as ns1.hostinger.com, ns2.hostinger.com, and so on, depending on what Hostinger has specified for you. Copy and paste these values in the correct fields, making sure to delete the old nameservers that might be in place. Double-check your input to avoid any typos, which could cause issues later. With your nameservers correctly updated, don't forget to save the changes. This might mean clicking on a Save button, a Submit button, or something similar depending on your registrar. After you've saved these changes, it's time to play the waiting game. DNS propagation, which is the process of updating the domain records across servers globally, typically takes between 24 to 48 hours to fully complete. During this time, your domain might not immediately point to Hostinger. However, you can use online tools to check the propagation status. Now, head to your Hostinger account. Log in and ensure that your hosting plan is ready to receive your domain. In Hostinger, find the Add Website or Add Domain option, typically under the Hosting Management section. Here, input your domain name to complete the process of pointing it home. After adding your domain to Hostinger, upload your website files if you haven't already, and configure other settings you might need, like email or databases. By following these steps, your domain should now be successfully pointed to your Hostinger hosting. Keep an eye on your website as it becomes accessible online, and verify everything is working smoothly. Remember, changes might take some time, so a little patience goes a long way. Happy hosting with Hostinger!